Mhlawumbe ngizoqala ngokuthi ngiphinde engikusho ngokuthi ngiyabonga uthando eningikhombisana. Mase kuhle nje manje nami ngithi kuhle. Bese kuba ukuthi ke yiloyo waziyo osuke ekudlela ukuthi akukuhle kuyena. Usuke ngangithintike mina lokho ngoba kusuke kuphethe yakani. Inhliziyo kahle kahle umuntu elimazayo umnini ngoba imicabango ilwa naye hayi nami. Mina nje ngizokulinda esisaleni kanjani lapho engisuke ngingazi lutho khona kodwa ke ngenhlanga yaleli dlozi lala ekhaya noNkulunkulu engicabanga ukuthi usebenza kanye naleli dlozi kuningi okwenzakalayo ekuhlakalweni la ngisuke ngingabona.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoswasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Kune polygamist leligama layo kungiBonhlanhla awakagwala walapha KwaZulu Natal. Libantu bafila ukuthi cha umvalo wamqedza kumusa Mselekweni philiphuli feel ukuthi hayi man nangu umuntu lekose simbukele TV. Hayi Musa kahle kahle the reason wasicanga ukuthi Musa hey ngiyipholygamist lena imali eKZN kuguthi usuke awabekwa lapha kumabona ukuthi savele sabona ukuthi sho ukuthi polygamist lena imali eKZN ngemusa Mseleki bantu bathi cha yibonini umuntu lona imali KZN polygamist nguBonhlanhla aligama lakhe Sibongo kanti awakagwala ngithi but uBonhlanhla gwala never fight labasihlanu guy 5 wives and una 5 no una 4 yes 4 wives and 20 kids and isike samuva musamsele kulinye ilanga mention indzaba yokuthi yena ufuna kuba nebantwana labayi-20 hawu kanti ufuna kuba nguBonhlanhla gwala nawe Musa wayebongasho. So guys uBonhlanhla gwala uyi-businessman liqavile esishoshovu njena se-businessman unemali guys lokho singakusho nje qwala emlomo ngokuthi unemali uphila i-life kanye nabafati bakhe nabo baphila i-life guys. Ukwava labantu labathi abasemafutheni umuntu bathi cha lo muntu lo usemafutheni lo muntu lo uphila emalini but uyi-polygamist lebantu abaningi labangadi ngayo abamati because why because akekho e-TV makangaba khona e-TV ngiyakutshela wena wonke umuntu nje angafuna kuba sesithenjini. So people are actually now dragging uMusa Mseleki to say ukuthi hayi nangumuntu lo bekose sembukele TV akubuyi reality show ayaBonhlanhla gwala sibone ukuthi uphila kanjani kwendeke kanjani ngcina sekabane bafati labangaka nebantwana alabayi-20 ayichaga izindoda emadodzeni le 20 kids hayi tiyabuya straight lana uyabona nje ukuthi abafati abaphilela kahle bagqoka kahle abahlupheki mana abasweli anything lapha babona ukuthi imali ikhona la ekhaya nangu siyambona namambovu lapha beka attendile i-birthday celebration yaBonhlanhla gwala lebe I think it was last year yeah bekunebantu guys labo ubona ukuthi nje nalabo lomtsala la kule party lekunalabo lomtsala kunebaphathi bemali akuneti kukhulu titetu kwephathi yani yesikhulu guys uyabona it's true when they say when people say ukuthi bona bangavuma kuba esithenjini if only there's money ngibani guys la ngikazavume kuba esithenjini kunemali phela because if umuntu afuna ukufaka esithenjini but akanamali uyodlani uyondani bafati labangaka yoba ondla ngani but if umuntu anesithembu but unemali guys kude mina ngekazafune ukuthi abe anendoda lenemali noma ngabe ithatha 20 bafati noma ngabe ithatha 100 as long as into khona uni-afforda niphindze aniphile kahle kusizani ngokuthi yoba yi-1 endodeni but you are struggling but financially njena akwendi but nje ujabulisa ukuthi hayi as long alala nami hayi as long anginike imali as long akhiphe imali. So bantu bathi bacela i-reality show yakhe uBonginhlanhla Gwala. We don't know ukuthi in future kuhamba kwesikhathi kungendeka ukuthi sigcine simbona uBonginhlanhla lapha e-TV. Like I just hope nje ukuthi simbone sibone ukuthi kufike njani aze agcina abantu bafati alaba 4 and 20 kids. Ngifuna kwathi nje ukuthi 20 kids njani. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.